Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out if I'm deficient in magnesium and what that really means for my health. Today, we're diving into the importance of magnesium, why it's crucial for your body, and how to tell if you might be lacking it. Many individuals are unaware of their magnesium levels, which can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, muscle cramps, and anxiety. In fact, it's estimated that up to 80% of Americans are not getting enough magnesium through their diet alone. This can lead to a range of problems, from mild to severe. Fatigue is one of the most common symptoms of magnesium deficiency, and it's often overlooked as a normal part of modern life. But what if I told you that your exhaustion could be linked to a simple lack of magnesium? Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in our bodily functions, from energy production to nerve function. Without it, our bodies can start to malfunction in subtle yet significant ways. Muscle cramps, for example, are a classic sign of magnesium deficiency. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night with a Charlie horse that just won't quit? That could be your body's way of telling you it needs more magnesium. Anxiety is another common symptom of magnesium deficiency, and it's an issue that affects millions of people worldwide. If you're struggling with feelings of anxiety or unease, it might be worth exploring your magnesium levels. By addressing this deficiency, you could be taking a significant step toward better mental health. So how can you tell if you're deficient in magnesium? Let's explore the symptoms of magnesium deficiency, sources of magnesium in your diet, and how to ensure you're getting enough of this vital mineral. One of the most obvious signs of magnesium deficiency is muscle cramps or spasms. If you're experiencing these regularly, it could be a sign that your body is crying out for more magnesium. Another symptom is fatigue, which we touched on earlier. If you're feeling tired all the time, no matter how much sleep you get, magnesium might be the answer. Restless leg syndrome is another common symptom of magnesium deficiency, as is anxiety or anxiety attacks. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's worth speaking to your doctor about getting a magnesium test. So, how can you increase your magnesium intake through your diet? Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with magnesium, as are nuts and seeds like almonds and pumpkin seeds. You can also find magnesium in whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. The key insight here is that even subtle signs of deficiency can have significant impacts on your overall well-being, and making simple dietary changes can make a big difference. By incorporating more magnesium-rich foods into your diet, you could be taking a major step toward better health. Magnesium is also available in supplement form, which can be a convenient way to boost your intake. However, it's always best to speak to your doctor before starting any new supplements. One of the most important things to remember is that magnesium deficiency is often a gradual process. It's not something that happens overnight, but rather the result of a prolonged period of low magnesium intake. By being proactive and taking steps to address your magnesium levels, you could be saving yourself from a range of health problems down the line. And the best part is, it's never too late to start making a change. In summary, magnesium is essential for many bodily functions, and recognizing the signs of deficiency can help you take proactive steps toward better health. By being mindful of your magnesium intake and taking steps to address any deficiencies, you could be unlocking a whole new level of well-being. If you found this information helpful, check out my other videos on nutrition, and don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences.